This little mail call. As you can see, Plumber Stacker sent me something. He has a auction online on his channel weekly, and I've been watching his channel for some time now, and finally saw a really good deal I had to get into and get. So I bought some things and I won some things on his auction. So he has a buy it now type format where the first person to give him the price that he's looking for has got it. It's not really like an auction where you competing with someone. So it's a different type of auction. So look, he gave me a bonus, first time buyer bonus, thanks. And he gave me a little Franklin 1960D. These are kind of cool. My daughter and I, we hunt these in our coin rolls. If you like watching coin rolls and the disappointment that brings, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and take a look. Okay, so here's what I bought. I bought this 1957 heavily cleaned but a very good condition Seated Liberty $1/4. Everybody knows that it's not really a good thing to clean a coin. But sometimes you buy coins that have already been cleaned. And this is the other one that I bought. 1855. How about that? Pretty good. This one's not cleaned. It's got all of its tarnish intact. I wish I could do a better job with this camera, but it's not. Why did I buy an 1857 that's been cleaned? Well, it's 100 years older than I am. So now I got something that looks better than I do and older than me. Thanks for watching.